Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to discuss the topic speed of sound, reflection of sound, commonly known as echoes. First we will discuss about the speed of sound. Sound and light both are the forms of energy that travel from one place to another. The speed of sound is much slower as compared to the speed of light. Sound waves take about 3 seconds to travel 1 kilometer distance, while the light travels the same distance in an instant. That's why in a thunderstorm, light and sounds are made at the same time, but we see lightning first and hear the sound of thunder after some time, because the speed of the sound is much slower as compared to the speed of light. Speed of sound in different material is different. For example, in gases, the speed of sound in air at 0 degrees Celsius is 330 meter per second. The speed of sound in air at 30 degrees Celsius is 350 meter per second, while the speed of sound in liquid, that is water, at 0 degrees Celsius is 1400 meter per second. The speed of sound in solids like concrete is 5000 meter per second. Sound travels at different speeds in different material. It travels faster in liquid than in gases, or it travels fastest of all in solids. Reflection of sound. Wall and other hard surfaces reflect sound waves. Reflected sound wave is known as echo. An echo is the reflected sound from the walls and other hard surfaces. It is heard a short time after the original sound. When we clap or shout near a reflecting surface such as tall building or a mountain, we hear the same sound again a little later. In this pic we can see that this girl is sitting 80 meter away from this wall. When this girl hits the metal bucket, she hears the echo of a sound 0.5 second later. This is 0.5 second is the echo time. It is the time taken for the sound to travel from the bucket, source of the sound, to the reflecting surface and back to the towards the bucket again. Beta, these bats use ultrasounds to find insects at night. Pulses of ultrasounds are sent out, which are reflected back into the bat's huge ears. Ultrasound is used to locate underwater depths or is used for locating objects lying deep on the ocean floor. The technique is called sound navigation and ringing. The sound waves are sent from a transmitter and a receiver collects the reflected sound. The time lapse is collected. As we know the speed of sound in water, the distance of the object from the ocean surface can be estimated. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What is the approximate speed of sound? Beta, the approximate speed of sound is 330 meter per second. Question number 2. Does sound travel at the same speed through all materials? Its answer is on page 87. It will start from this line. Sound travels at different speeds in different material up to this. Question number 3. In a thunderstorm, the thunder is made at the same time as the lightning. Explain why a person 1600 meter away hears thunder about 5 seconds after seeing the lightning. Beta, this is because light travels faster than sound, so we see the lightning first and hear the sound of thunder after some time. A person that is standing 1600 meter away hears the thunder after about 5 seconds, and we can measure the speed of the sound by the formula speed is equal to distance over time, and it's come to be 320 meter per second. Question number 4. What is an echo? An echo is the reflected sound from walls and other hard surfaces. It is heard a short time after the original sound. Question number 5. What is echo time? Echo time is the time for a sound to travel from its source to a hard surface and back again. Question number 6. Calculate the speed of the sound in the example of echoes. Use the formula speed is equal to distance over time. Students, we have to calculate the speed. Distance is given, that is 1600 meter. Time is 5 seconds. By applying the formula speed is equal to distance over time, putting these their values, we come to know that the speed is 320 meter per second. Thank you.